Snake massage, a therapeutic relaxation technique. Let's come across and discover snake massage therapy. Have you heard about snake massage therapy? Are you in to try this kind of massage? Please share your thoughts and comments down below. Human perceptions. Snakes are threatening. However, snake species differ in their true level of danger. If you like my videos, don't forget to click like and hit that subscribe button for more videos. In a traditional massage, hands are used. But in snake massage they used snakes to do massage. Snake massage was believed to have started in ancient Greece. In ancient times snakes were believed to have these healing energy, and according to the Greek god of medicine, Asclepius, snakes were considered sacred. The benefit of snake massage is that it helps relieve stress and migraine. During the massage our body released adrenaline. When adrenaline is released by the brain to our bloodstream, our body reacts quickly, thus resulting to decreased pain. The snake massage therapy is popular in Cebu, Philippines, and in Indonesia. The snake massage therapy uses the python snakes. Python snakes are non-venomous snakes. These snakes are trained first to do massage. Before the massage, snakes are given bath to make sure they are clean, and are being fed 30 minutes before the massage. The mouth of the snakes are tightly sealed. During the massage, the python snake slithers at your body, thus giving you an unexplainable feeling or sensations which is called the adrenaline rush. According to people who tried the snake massage, after the massage they feel relaxed and their pain subsides. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and hit that subscribe button. Stay safe everyone.